Good morning, Mango. I saw this on the floor. Thank you. This came from your wing, on your left wing. Oh, you're not afraid anymore. At one point, for many years, you were afraid of your own feathers. Oh. Okay, there he goes. Yes, that feather just came out from your left wing. It was just hanging there a moment ago, and then when I came back, it fell on the floor. Okay, so this is Mango, and then the one who just flew over is Rainbow. As you can see, they have different colors, and they have in common yellow. But Mango has a very light color yellow on his face, a little bit on the wing, but his wingtip and his tail is all white. Rainbow has a dark yellow, which is called golden yellow face, and he has green and blue and black and some white. When you have two different color birds with some overlapping colors, sometimes when they molt at around the same time, it could be a little difficult to tell which bird had shed which feathers. And I like to keep mine, most of them. And Mango's almost 10 years old, so you can imagine I have a big collection of his feathers. And then one day, I found a feather down below this cage, which Mango sleeps at night. Let me show you the feather. Just before they sleep, I clean all the cages. So, one morning, I saw this at the bottom of Mango's cage, and I cleaned the cage the night before. And then I took this feather, and I'm trying to put it in these bags. Mango has a set of bags sorted by different places of where the feather belongs to. Like these are cheek feathers with the dots, little bigger feathers. So I'm looking through all the bags that would hold Mango's feathers, right? Because I was pretty sure that's from Mango because it came from Mango's cage. I went through all these. Mango doesn't have any coloring like this. But anyway, I wasn't thinking, I guess. So I decided to put it in one of these bags, assuming that it's 100% Mango's. The next morning, I saw this feather inside Rainbow's cage. And like I said, I always clean their cages the night before they sleep. So this came out, and I said, oh my goodness, this feather that was lying underneath Mango's cage actually belongs to Rainbow's. It's the exact same feather, except probably from the opposite side of the body, you see? Even this notch over here. So this feather, or these feathers, belong to Rainbow. So Rainbow has his set of collection, which I sorted out. Just want to show you that both my birds have yellow face, but Mango has a lighter yellow face. And Rainbow has the golden one, and you can see from these cheek, the dots on the cheek feathers. This is Rainbow's. You can see that this is much lighter. And Mango's dots are slightly smaller. So I have a friend, a YouTube friend, who had just adopted, actually not adopted yet, have birds. She does a transit home for birds, and the newest bird is very, very similar, almost identical to her, one of her existing birds. And she kind of made me be aware of the size of the dots and also the spacing of the dots. So it was very interesting. Never really examined these cheek dots, how the size different, and of course when they're on their face, the how close they are or how far apart they are, and the shape of it. So let me pull back and you can see the difference. So Mango is turning 10 this year. As you can see, I have lots and lots of different bags with different feathers for Mango. Oh, I think I can make 2 or 3 mangoes, or even more, right? Every budgie has around 3,000 feathers, so I did not keep every one of them, especially the down feather ones I don't keep. I just maybe keep 1 or 2 of them, but this is my favorite one. I don't know what it's called, but I love this fuzzy at the end, and then the color of the bird. And then these are, of course, the wing and the tail feathers of mango. And I place it by size. I hope you guys will see it, because I know I'm going through this very fast and camera may not be focused. So, it's a whole bunch of mango, and there's a whole bunch of rainbow. So, Rainbow is turning 4 this year, so his packages are not as full. But as you can see, Rainbow is a more colorful one, hence its name. Like I said, I love this type, especially for rainbows. Rainbow has these blue that goes into the green hues. Very pretty. I don't know what's the name of this type of feather. Is there a name for it? But I just love this type. This is from the wings. Yeah, Rainbow has also some yellowish and white and black. And of course the teal, green, and the bluish. All mixed together. Over here is more like the blue. And this one is more like the teal. Isn't that interesting? But he's very colorful. So do you collect your birds' feathers? I do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it one day. I've seen somebody decorate using these feathers, placing it on a CD holder or even a canvas, and they just make beautiful art. Some people would put it in resin and make earrings out of them. You know, the type that I like the best is this type. I bet you can make earrings, like a teardrop earring, out of each one of these feathers. Yeah, wouldn't that be beautiful? Yeah, for you crafters, that's an idea, right? Or you can make a ring out of it, right? Or a pendant out of these feathers. Okay, thanks for watching.